Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide a folder on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide a folder on Windows 11 computer, go to File Explorer and select the folder which you want to hide. Right click on the folder and click on Properties. On General tab, you will find the last option hidden, and by default it's unchecked. Just click on hidden and then click on apply, and here you will find two options: apply changes to this folder only, and another option is apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files. I am selecting the last option and then click on OK. Then click on apply and then click on OK. Now click on view option, go to show, and here you will find hidden item. Just uncheck the hidden item and look, the folder is hidden right now. This is the easiest way to hide a folder in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.